617-830-4750. Let's see who else we can squeeze in here. Why don't we go to the 773 area code? Isn't that is that Massachusetts, 773?
No.
I know 774 is. 773, where are you calling from?
Yeah, I'm calling from Chicago. How's it going, David?
Oh, all right. Go ahead. Thank you.
So I want to bring up a thought I've never really heard anybody talk about before regarding socialized medicine and the long-term ramifications that I'd love to hear Bernie talk about.
Okay.
And those are the difference it would make on our auto insurance if we didn't have to cover people's medical, the difference it would make on our homeowners insurance if we didn't have to cover somebody falling off our roof, the insurance that kids have to get to go to school and do sports that wouldn't have to be paid for anymore. I mean, insurance companies don't just insure our health. They also insure our liability for other people's medical bills.
Right.
And they're making a huge amount of money off of it.
Yeah.
Now, if you take it one step further and we talk about litigation and the attorneys that make money off of other people suing people and insurance companies for medical bills, which would not happen anymore. Because if you get hurt in an accident, the only issue would be liability in terms of negligence, not liability in terms of someone's medical condition or whether or not they can walk anymore. Right. That would be taken care of. But did they intentionally hurt you? Was there a problem that, with the roof that you think someone should be punitively damaged with? But not medical claims anymore. I mean, the difference, yes, we might pay a little bit more in taxes, but the savings system-wide that might really put the insurance industry in jeopardy if we thought about it. I mean, that may be another reason that that the insurance companies are fighting so tooth and nail to keep us from being socialized, is because if you draw it out a little bit further, think of the ramifications of having our medical costs covered.
Very, very interesting. Yeah, that is another area altogether that we would have to run the numbers on. I've not seen an analysis of that, but at least from the way you're presenting it, it's an excellent point, and I appreciate you making it so articulately.
Well, I want this bright young man, David, to pick up my torch, because I'm an old lady, right?
Right.
Pick up this torch and do this for me, and put this out there. Let us start talking about the real savings
Let's do it.
As a society we would have if we just gave socialized medicine a chance.
Yep, absolutely.
I work in the healthcare industry, by the way. I take care of dying people. I deal with tragedy every day regarding the medical industry. Yeah. And we just have to really think about how much we would save. Think about all that insurance you pay for your boat and for everything.
Absolutely.
That you wouldn't have to pay because medical would be covered.
Thank you so much for the call. Really, really appreciate your insights. That's a good point, something we should look into more. On that note, we are out of time. My sincere apologies to the 20 people that are still waiting on hold. The live calls are getting so popular, we can't keep up. We will take calls again, and I appreciate everybody calling in. And sorry to everybody we did not get to.